One more time. Okay, we live. All right, I just want to do a little unboxing video from my boy Chase Maccini at the Sneaker Laundry. Great person, great products. Let's check out what he gave me, some goodies. Oh man, every time I order from Chase, it's always a bunch of good stuff. Let's see. First things first, you always need towels when you're drying your kicks. Come on. Oh, we got the sneaker stain remover. Shit is A1 steak sauce. Dirty mesh like this, white bottoms, perfect. He gave me 2 of them. What a guy. What a guy. Hit me with the organic sneaker cleaner. If it's organic, it's better. Tough scrub, little magic erasers. Oh, waterless foam cleaner for your suede. Do I have any suede around? I don't, but suede, no water, boom, perfect. Oh, this is what I was most excited for. Ultra Boost foam soles. Oh, I'm putting these in my favorite shoes tonight. Shoe trees. Shoe trees are A1. You need them in your kicks when you're cleaning them. Always need collapsible bowls. Like this one. This is an old Sneaker Laundry bowl. Same thing. Toss me a couple brushes, all purpose. Sole. Soft. Little organic sneaker deodorizer. Some shoe fresheners. And some packing peanuts. I definitely recommend going and checking out the Sneaker Laundry. You get 10% off if you use the code XChaseMaccini. Everything is very price good. Great products. Vouch for it 100%. I appreciate the stuff, bro.